In front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to check this laptop's manufacturing date. First of all, you gotta go to the launcher, then open settings, then in settings scroll down to about Chrome OS section, and then scroll down to additional details, open them. And here you'll find information about the update schedule of your device, and as you can see, this device will get automatic software and security updates until June 2029, and that's the only way that you can check the manufacturing date, because due to the new Google policy, all the Chromebooks receive 10 years of updates once after they get manufactured. That means that this laptop was manufactured in June 2019. And that's how you can check your device's manufacture date. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.